Hello there, everyone. Welcome to our latest online training series, and thanks for selecting us as your guide for growing your business online. Internet marketing is a term that's been around ever since people discovered that they could use the internet to make money. It is an exclusive business term that means different things to different people, so it can be confusing to some. That is why we decided to create a complete internet marketing course that will teach you how to use the most efficient cast of internet marketing strategies out there in 2019 and 2020 so you can take your online business to the next level. What is complete internet marketing in 2019 and 2020 all about? Internet marketing, also known as online marketing, is by definition the process of promoting a business or brand and its associated products or services over the internet. The goal of internet marketing is to generate traffic, leads, and sales. What people struggle with when trying to understand internet marketing is how to actually do internet marketing. And there are a lot of methods out there. The most common forms of internet marketing include email marketing, online advertising, and search engine optimization. There also exist other more indirect forms of internet marketing, such as affiliate marketing, and more modern internet marketing formats, such as video marketing. Usually, individuals and companies trying to promote a business or brand on the internet focus on one or two methods, but they are leaving a lot on the table. Complete internet marketing, on the other hand, is the process of using all possible online marketing methods and strategies on a single campaign to generate the best results, fast. Complete internet marketing allows you to get the most out of online marketing technology because it mixes the best of traditional internet marketing strategies with proven modern methods, such as social media marketing. Complete internet marketing integrates heavily with content marketing, which is the use of online content to deliver value to potential customers. Because of this, with complete internet marketing, you'll be able to attract and capture the attention of potential customers on any of your marketing channels. Having a complete internet marketing plan in 2019 and 2020 is critical for the success of your business, and there's no way around it. Do you want your business to sit alone in obscurity and in a corner of your hometown? Or do you want it to grow, to go international, and to stay relevant beyond 2019 and 2020? Then you've picked the right course. What are the benefits of complete internet marketing for your business in 2019 and 2020? 91% of successful online businesses have adopted a complete internet marketing plan before 2019 and 2020 and are expanding. Complete internet marketing allows you to achieve specific business-focused goals, such as increasing brand loyalty. Complete internet marketing generates over 3 times more leads than traditional internet marketing. Complete internet marketing can cost over 60% less than traditional internet marketing. You can drive online sales 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So, if you're ready to transform the way you promote your business on the internet, head over to the next lesson.